Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the WorkPlay TV channel. So I need your help again. I need to replace the tires on my 350. And currently, yeah, he loves motorbikes, he loves ambulance, all that stuff. Listen to the bike. Listen to Wendell. Protector. He's a protector. But he's back to himself. For you guys been around for a while, you know he had the TPLO surgery, but he's doing good. Hey buddy, doing good inside my fence. This was a project. We need some rain, guys. We haven't had rain here forever, and it's hot every day. I actually have to add water to this right now. Got some frogs in there. Anyway, staying on task here. We need to replace the tires on the 350. As you know, I have the General Grabber X3s on there, and I love them. I've had 3 sets of these tires. This is the first set of tires for this truck because it's a brand new 2019, but I had these tires originally on my 09 that I traded in on this truck for about 10,000 miles before I put them on this truck. This truck has about 20,000 miles on it right now. I need to change them before the winter, so that's why I'm making this video now, because I want to get your guys' input on what we need to get, what we want to try, what's a really good tire, what's the best tire, what do you guys want to see. That's what this channel is all about. I want to try things for you guys so you can see, hey, it worked for him, right on, I'm going to try them. Or they didn't work, we're not going to try them. So to cancel a couple of tires out of the equation, we're not going to put these again because I want to try something new. We're not going to put BFG KO2s again because I've had those in the past. Those were good. We're not going to put the Open Country AT2 Extremes on because I already have a set of them. They're fantastic. Watch my reviews. But I want to try something different. And the other tire we're not going to try is a tire that I have right here on my FJ. And this is the Open Country CT. We're not going to try these. These have been great. I'm going to make a separate review on these as well, but we're not going to try them. We want to try something different. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the tire situation, these are the Open Country AT2 Extremes. Fantastic tire. I prefer these over the BFG KO2s so far from what I can see. All right, so we're going to walk down to the X3s, the General Grabber X3s. And I love these tires. I love them. You guys know that. I rave about them. I've had them in the snow. I plow snow. I've had them off-road. Had them in snowstorms, just towing trailers. This truck was hooked up to the dump trailer for probably about 20,000 kilometers or more of its life. And they've done great. I've rotated the tires, obviously. I run the tires about 5 to 10 pounds less than what inside the door calls for. So here they are. So here are the General Grabber X3s, and as you can see, guys, there is still a lot of life left in these, but I will need to switch these out before the winter. These are 35, 12.5, 20. They fit onto this truck stock. No lift, no leveling kit, no spacers, no nothing. This is the truck, 2019 Ford F350 XLT Premium with the 6.7 liter Power Stroke, of course. So these will last me a while. These will definitely last me a while. But doing what I do, in the situations that I'm in, I like to put a brand new set of tires on my trucks before winter. There's still some serious life left in these. And these have about 30,000 miles on them right now. Maybe a little bit more. And like I said, it's hooked up to this trailer the majority of the time. That truck tows this trailer a lot, and it tows it for long distances all over the place. This trailer is a boss, guys. This trailer is the best piece of equipment I've ever owned in my life. Big Tex 14LX trailer. I actually just purchased a toolbox for the back of this truck because we do spend a lot of time on the road, and we can put our chainsaws in there, we can put all the tools, all the hand saws in there. It keeps the tools out of the back seat of the truck, so it keeps the truck cleaner. They got her locked up, so that's good. But just purchased this today. Actually, we just popped this on. Every like real true work truck should have that. It was long overdue. There's the brand and there's the model number 2048. I'll do a little review on that later on. But anyway, guys, so I need your help. What are we gonna get? What do you guys want to see? What is the best, you know, light truck, light duty, I guess, all-terrain tire out there? Here's a few options that I sort of come up with. Right off the get-go, the DURATRAC. I don't really want to try those because everybody has those, so I don't really want to try those, but I will. There's a Cooper Discovery ATP, I think, or AT2 or something. There's the General Grabber ATP or AT2, the one that looks like the BFG KO2. There's the Dynapro. There's the FALKEN WILDPEAK, which actually is probably at the top of my list that I definitely want to try. There's a few of them out there that I do want to try, and I might put a little clip up right now. And you guys can sort of see what you think and let me know what's going on. But I want to get this video out fairly soon, and basically what I want to do is, when it comes time, I'd say probably around November of this year, do up like a tally of what you guys wrote in the comment section, and that's what we'll go with. So whatever you guys pick, whatever is the highest rating or the highest amount of votes, that's what we'll go with. Because all these tires are basically, you know, right around the same price, a few dollars here and there. So that's not really going to make a big difference one way or the other. I just want to try what you guys want to try. That's the whole purpose of this. That's what one of the things I said right from the get-go when I started the channel. So I want to be your guinea pig. I want to try things for you guys. I already know that the open country CTs are great. The open country AT2s extremes are fantastic. The General Grabber X3s are amazing. The BFG KO2s are great. I already know all those tires are great. So let's try something new together. That's what this is all about. So anyway, guys, as always, you know what to do. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We have got tons of stuff coming out for sure. We've got the 3 Power Strokes as of right now. We've got the FJ. We've got the Toyota 4Runner 2019 Limited that, you know, hey, maybe that might need some new sneakers on it. Probably keep that stock though, with the stock wheels. That's our family wagon. As you know, we're expecting a new member to the family here pretty soon. What else we got? We got, you know, obviously the Kubota excavator, the FAE mulcher. We've got the Can-Am Maverick Sports that we've got 2 of those 1000Rs. We've got a Outlander 650. We've got an Outlander 800. A whole bunch of chainsaws and bush saws and all that stuff. We've got a lot going on. I sort of stepped away from this whole thing for a little while there, and now that I'm back in the flow, I'm really having fun. I'm really enjoying it. There's a few things we're looking at doing, a few exciting sort of things that are coming potentially. So, you know, stay tuned for all of that. You know, I don't know. I need your help. You need my help to make decisions. I need your help to make decisions. Let's be a team here. All right, guys. Anyway, enough babbling on. Write what you think. Write your choices. We'll tally them up, and that's what it's going to be. All right, guys. Take care. See you next time. Bye.